how can you get better at communication in an instant? How can you get better at communication in an instant? Remember, there are things that are said. We say things out loud. There are things that are heard. We listen to those things. There are things that are remembered, and very rarely are all three of those the same. So here's how we can fix that in the context of the meetings that you have both with internal customers and external customers. Let's talk about the one-on-one meeting first. The meeting that you have with someone, they could be a member of your team, it could be a peer, somebody that works in a cross-functional area, it could be your actual customer. In that one-on-one meeting, here are 3 questions I want you to be able to answer. What's working? And if you see the video this weekend on reflection, we're going to get into some of these questions in a little bit more detail, but what's working? What's not working? Where are you stuck? If I know the answer to those 3 questions, what's working, what's not working, where are you stuck? Working, not working, where are you stuck? Then we can figure out, hey, what do we need to put time, energy, and attention to? Where do we need to focus our energy and attention so that we can help make progress in whatever environment it is that we're working through? And this is not pipeline review stuff. This is not go ahead and give me 800 words about all of the things that you've done. If I understand the what's working, what's not working, where we're stuck, then I know where we should be focusing attention. I gain clarity around where we should be focusing attention. If things are working, maybe we want to share that with some other people so that they can do the same thing. If things are not working, maybe we need to figure out what do we make some decisions around on actually eliminating, like cutting things off so that we could focus our attention on something. If we're stuck, maybe what we need to do is bring together a group of people, figure out how to solve the problem together. Let's work together. Let's collaborate. So what's working, what's not working, where are we stuck? Those are the 3 specific questions I want to make sure that we're answering in every one of those one-on-one discussions. Now, a one-on-one discussion is not a problem-solving meeting. It is not a decision-making meeting. It is ultimately figuring out, hey, what is working, what's not working, and where are we stuck in this specific context? How do we make sure that we do this effectively? Well, if we agree there are things that are said, there are things that are heard, and there are things that are remembered, then let's make sure that going into a meeting, we know who is going to be in the room, who are we actually communicating with? Multiple people, one person, what are their objectives? Let's take some time and anticipate their objectives. What are the top 3 things they want to get out of this conversation? Give me 3 of those. On the other side, what are our objectives? What do we want to accomplish? What are the top 3 things we want to learn, we want to share, we want to get answers to? Top 3, their objectives, our objective, and then the last one is desired next steps. What are the things that we expect to happen as a result of the meeting? If you do this well, here's the thing that you can do. Number 1, we can start to say, okay, things were said, things were heard. I said this, you said that, I heard this, you heard that. And then we can move into this next step piece and identify who will do what by when. Who will do what by when. Some basic project management stuff, but it's who, the people, will do what, next steps, by when. If you do these things, you will have a much higher likelihood of success in your meetings when it comes to the things that are said, the things that are heard, and the things that are remembered. This will help you with the documentation. What's working, what's not working, where are we stuck? Identify who, what, when, and let's improve execution in the context of communication, both with internal customers and external customers. If you'd like help with this, if you'd like to see how you can communicate better with a tool like a whiteboard, how you can use questions to create leverage in those conversations, how you can improve your communication skill, you know a guy. I'm Mike Simmons. I'm that guy. You can find your catalyst at findmycatalyst.com.